This tool lets you turn a single AI image into a full animated video completely free. No editing skills, no paid software, no camera needed. Just your idea, one image and a few clicks. If you're trying to make YouTube shorts, TikToks, or just something fun, this is honestly one of the easiest ways to start. And don't worry, I've already prepared my image prompt and animation prompt. If you don't have yours yet, just open ChatGPT and say, "Give me one image prompt and one animation prompt based on your idea." It'll give you something creative in seconds. Now let me show you exactly how I turned 5 tiny characters into animated videos. We'll start in Piclumen, then animate them in Digen. And finally, we'll polish everything inside CapCut. First, go to Piclumen.com. This is where we create the characters. I'm using 5 image prompts. You can copy these or make your own. A royal rooster wearing a denim jacket and red sunglasses. A baby calf in overalls with a straw hat. A little donkey explorer. A curious tiger cub with a scarf. And a husky puppy in a blue hoodie. Paste the first prompt into Piclumen. Pick your style. Click Generate. Download the image when you're happy with it. Repeat for the rest. Now head over to Digen AI. This is where the real magic happens. Log in with Google. Click Create. Upload one of your images. Make sure Real Motion 2.0 is active. Then paste your animation prompt. You'll notice Digen also has something called Text to Make. It lets you create visuals from just a prompt, no image needed. But for better control, we're uploading our own. Sometimes the images themselves aren't perfect. They might look okay, not amazing, but that's fine, because the image-to-video feature is where Digen really shines. Once your prompt is in, choose a video length 5 or 10 seconds. Click Generate. It costs 30 points, and you get 300 free, enough for 10 videos. When it's ready, download your animated clip. Inside Digen, you'll also notice there's an Image tab at the top. This lets you generate AI images directly inside Digen. So if you want to experiment or test new characters without leaving the platform, you can do that here too. The generation is pretty fast and works well for quick concepts. But just being honest, the images might not be as polished or expressive as what you get from Piclumen. Still, for testing prompts or building quick variations, it's a handy option to have built in. But the real strength of Digen is still the animation. Even if your image looks simple or not perfect, once it goes through Real Motion 2.0, it comes out alive with head tilts, gestures, blinking, even personality. So don't worry if your image isn't flawless. The animation will carry the magic. Now bring everything into CapCut. Start a new project. Drop in all your clips. Trim the beginning and end. Use scale or crop if needed. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Then drop in music. You can add sound effects too, like sparkles, wind, or ambient sounds. And if you want, throw in text captions or dialogue lines. Once you're happy with the result, export in HD. And that's it. You just made an animated short using only free tools. From idea to prompt to fully animated video with sound and style. Give it a try. Even if you start with one character, you might be surprised how good it turns out. If this helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And drop a comment if you're working on something. I'd love to check it out. Let's keep building cool stuff with AI, one idea at a time.